Hello everyone, and welcome back to part 18 on how to create a Among Us app game on Roblox. Before we start, I want to say that I saw someone in my comment section saying that my tutorials are just stolen and that my scripts are not made by me and that I just copy other tutorials. I just want to say that all of these scripts that you see on this series are made by me, and that if you see someone using my scripts, I didn't copy him, he copied me. So yeah, let's start. Actually, before I start, I also want to say that I'm doing a 1000 Robux giveaway when I reach 1000 subscribers, and I will choose a random winner and give him 1000 Robux. And I also want to say that when this entire game is finished, I will be selling it. I will be selling the entire game file with the scripts and with everything that you need, and I will show you how to use them, how to add more maps, how to customize your game however you want. And I'm going to sell it to you by if you don't want to follow the tutorial, you can contact me on Discord. I will leave my Discord on the description or on the pinned comment. I think on this description is better. So yeah, let's start. So go to start GUI. Will make a kill button, which is very easy to make. Just add a image button in. Let's do a text button for now, just to see if things are working. Let's put it here. I'm not going to edit it or anything. I'm just going to plug in the unit conversion scale. I'm going to change it into a image button when I see if when the scripts are actually done and working. So firstly, insert a local script into your text button, and we will create a variable for the player. So local player is equal to game.players.localPlayer, and local character is equal to player dot player dot player dot what's wrong with me player dot character, or player dot character added on wait. And now in here we'll create another variable, which is going to be the kill distance. Local kill distance is equal to, let's put it to 10, and local I think it should be yeah, cooldown is equal to 5, and the local killed is equal to false. And in here we'll create a mouse click event. So script.parent.mouse button one click on connect function player. No, we don't need any arguments, sorry. So we'll create we'll write if not killed, and then killed is equal to true, and we'll put a for loop for I comma v in pairs game dot players dot no workspace colon get children do if v confined first child humanoid, then if v dot name is not equal to the player dot name, then v dot actually if we create another statement. So if and parentheses v dot humanoid part dot position minus character dot humanoid part dot position is no dot magnitude is less or equal than the kill distance, then, and make sure that you write this part of the line outside of the parentheses. So here we'll put a yeah, we'll just fire a remote event. So game.replicate storage dot and add a remote event to replicate the storage. Try to find it and rename it to kill. Game.replicate storage dot kill colon fire server, and we'll send the v dot name, and we'll put a wait, and yeah, wait, and I think yeah, we'll just break the for loop. And we'll put a wait, kill or kill cooldown, no, cooldown, and in here killed, no, not kill distance, killed is equal to false. Okay, so now add a script in server script service, rename it to kill, and in here we'll just write game.replicate storage dot kill dot on server event connect function player comma v. So game dot workspace find first child v dot health dot humanoid dot health is equal to 0, and put a wait. So let's see if that will work. Let's test the game with 2 players. Let me just make the intermission time like 60 so that I can test the game with 2 players without having to start the game and all of that stuff. So okay, so it's loaded. Let's go ahead and try to kill player 2. As you can see, I can't kill him from here, but when I go to here, I should be able to kill him, but I'm not able to kill him. So let's see why. So the error is from the server, not the wait, I think I go to workspace and view the properties tab. Health is still not 0. So let's see if the error is from the server script or the server script or the local script. So just we put print v dot name or just v. Now let's test the game with 2 players. So if it doesn't print, that means that the error is from the I think it is from the local script. But if it does, then the error was from the script that's installed for server script service. So yeah, let's try to kill player 2, and it should print player 2's name. Okay, so it's printed player 2. This means, but what if player 2 goes ahead and kill player 1? Now it's printed player 1, and what if I do it again? It printed it again. So the cooldown is working, everything is working, but the this is not working. So we'll just put a for loop for I, v in pairs workspace colon get children. Do if v, let's change this to crewmate. If v dot name is equal to crewmate. Then v dot humanoid dot health is equal to 0. And let's test the game with 2 players. Alright, so it's loaded. Let's go ahead and kill player 2. Let's wait for the force field to go off. Okay, so let's kill player 2. Yes, it's finally working. It's finally working, but the dead bodies are just red. I actually know how to fix that. Just enter your dropbody script inside of server script service and just remove this color2 variable and remove this if statement here and this, and just remove this for loop here, and it should be working. So now the kill button is working. We'll make it look prettier, so just add a image button to your main screen GUI and go to home toolbox and we'll change this to images and write Among Us kill. And also you can use your own image if you want, but I don't have time, so I'm just going to use the I'm just going to use a free one. So right click on the image you want to use and copy asset ID and go back to your image button and go to the image and paste in the new asset ID. So that should pop up, and go to the background color of the background transparency of the image button, set it to 1, go to plugins, unit conversion scale, and then go to let me just remove this. Go to your image button and rename it to kill, and we will drag this local script that's inside of the text button, that's inside of this text button, this one, and drag it inside of the kill script, kill text button, and just remove your old text button, and now select this and put it here or wherever you want. I'm going to put it here, and in here I'm going to if not killed, then let's add another local script inside of this and rename it to change transparency, and in here we will write while true do, no, actually I don't need to put this here. I think we do. Yeah, we do. We really do. So what I'm going to do is add a bool value inside of this scale screen, the scale image button, and rename it to killed, and just make sure that it's set to false, and in here just put script.parent.killed.value. And now we will add a local script, rename it to change transparency, and we will write a while true do loop and put a wait if script.parent.killed is equal to true, then script.parent.image transparency is equal to 0.5, else if script.parent.killed is equal to false, then script.parent.image transparency is equal to true. To 0. And let's test the game with 2 players and see if this is working. It should be working. Okay, so we have our kill button, and we will go ahead and try to kill player 2. And it doesn't change colors, but we will fix this. So let's go ahead and try to kill him again. So the cooldown is working. I can't kill him until the cooldown goes down to 5. So to 0, I mean. So the output, we don't have any errors, but why would it do that? And also, where is this coming from? Okay, so go to your dropbody script, no, change color script, and remove these 2 lines, and remove the color 2 variable. And we will go ahead and yeah, let me think about how are we going to make this. Oh, just remove your change transparency script, and instead of doing this, we'll just kill this equals true. Script.parent, actually in here. Script.parent.image transparency is equal to 0.5. And in here, script.parent.image transparency is equal to I think it was 0. And let's see if this is working. It should work. Now I'm almost sure that it's going to work. Okay, so it's loaded. Let's go ahead and kill player 2 again. Okay, so let's go. I can't kill him from far, but if I go to here, I still can't kill him. Yeah, I can kill him, and when the cooldown goes back to 0, this text button's transparency goes back to 0. So let's try to kill this guy again. As you can see, I can't kill, but now I can in fact go ahead and kill him again. It works for both players, as you can see. So this is great. Now all we have to do is to just remove the old classic sword. Go to replicated storage, remove this classic sword, and inside of your main script line, I think it was 77, remove this part of the script. Go back into your functions module and just remove these 2 lines, and then we will see if there is any bugs with the game. So let's test, and oh, there is a bug with the game. I just remembered. Just go inside of your function, get to winning team, and just remove this for loop, and we will create a new one. So for I comma v in pairs game dot players colon get players do if v colon find first child imposter value, then game.replicate storage dot I think it was, yeah, imposters fire all clients v.name, and then we'll in here we'll create another for loop for I, v in pairs. Let's just copy this one, paste it here, and actually, instead of doing this, we just have to break this for loop, and here we're going to put in else game.replicate storage dot crewmates colon fire all clients v.name, yeah, v.name, and we will put a break here, and let's see if that's going to work. Please work. Oh, I forgot to change the intermission time to something like 10. And now we are able to go ahead and test the game with 2 players. Okay, so this is loaded. I forgot. Wait, did I just start a 4-player server? I think I just did. Oh no. This is going to lag like crazy. Wait, why do I still have this? That's so weird. Okay, so we have to fix the kill button so that only the imposter can kill, but that's easy to make. And we also have to fix the voting system and the report body system. So player 1 is the imposter, so let's go ahead and kill player 2. And the imposter is just 1. And what if the crewmates win? Oh. This is so broken. We have a imposter volume inside of this player and another one inside of this one. So we have to fix that right now. Wait. Did it just keep the imposter value? No way. Let's go ahead and fix this again. Enter your main script, and in here oh, that explains why. Right after where we break the loop, we'll loop through all of the players in the game. So just for I, v in pairs game.players get players do if v find first child imposter value, then v find first child imposter value destroy, and this should be working. Now let's see if this is messed up like last time. It should not be messed up this time. Okay, so and also we have to fix the shop. I totally forgot about the shop. Okay, so player 1 is the imposter. Let's go ahead and kill him. Kill player 2, I mean. Okay, so the round just ended, and wait. Did it just say crewmates 1? Oh, I know why. This is actually very easy to fix. Just this for loop that we just wrote right now. Control X it and put it here instead. Put a wait 0.3 seconds, and now test the game with 2 players again. And this should be working. Okay, so the game just started. Player 1 is the imposter again. Let's go ahead and kill player 2. And it says, wait, bruh, bruh, bruh. Oh, that explains it. We have to put this inside of another for loop. So just to remove this, and we'll create another for loop for I, comma, no. What am I doing? Yeah, for I, comma, v in pairs game dot players on get players do. If not, v can't find first child imposter value, then game dot applicator storage dot crewmates on fire server, fire all clients, sorry. And now let's start a 2-player server. Let's put a break first. Wait. No, we don't need a break for that. I'm not sure though. Let's go ahead and test the game. Okay, so player 1 is the imposter. Let's go ahead and kill player 2. And it's not fixed. Why? Why is it not fixed? Why? Wait, I just want to know if it's going to let's go ahead and do the wait. So player 1 is the imposter this time. Player 2, I mean. So he has an imposter value, and if I kill him, well, you have to fix this. I think we might fix it on this episode, and we might fix it on a later episode. We'll focus now on the voting system. I found a lot of bugs with it. First one being that they can vote for the non-available players. So all you have to do here is to check if wait, where is it? Yeah, on the functions module, sorry, inside of this big function right here. we'll just put local wait, where is it? Let me think about this. For each pad we have this value, which is how many players voted for it. So let's go ahead and fix this. If where is the variable for the value? Let me try to find it. Okay, so in here we just have to put if v.name is not equal to n/a, which is non-available, then and we will end the put an end right here. Okay, so let's test the game with 2 players and see if this is actually working. Please work, please. I need to get this entire Among Us game finished as soon as possible. Okay, so let's just go ahead and call an emergency meeting real quick. Let's call an emergency meeting and let's try to vote for a non-available player. Yes, we can't, but we can vote for other players. But we still wait, we can't vote for other players? Yeah, we clearly can't. So that's a rip. Let's fix that again. Oh, I know, I just removed this here and this, and we'll put that in here. It's not equal to non-available. Then, and we just have to add an end, I think. Yeah. Control select everything, and now I'm sure that I won't be able to vote for non-available players. Yeah, I'm totally sure now. Let's go ahead and wait for this countdown to finish. Yes, let's go ahead and call an emergency meeting. And let's try to vote for a normal player. And now let's go ahead and vote for a non-available player. I voted for myself, I think. Okay, so I'll fix this glitch the screen in the next episode, since it might take some time to fix. Let's go ahead and try to vote for a non-available player. Oh, and we have to reset the votes. I can't vote for a non-available player, but I can vote for a normal player, and I can vote for player 2. Great, so this is working. Now all we have to do is to reset the votes after the players vote. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Where's the part where we call the emergency meeting? Firstly, where is the part that says change this to okay, wait. Firstly, go to replicate storage, select your winner value, and just set it to nobody. Wait, where is the vote handler script? Wait, I think it was this one. Nope, it wasn't. I think it's on the functions module. It might be. Okay, so where is... I can't find the script that is used for oh wait. I know it's not that one. Where's the... Wait, that's not how it works. Wait, now I remember. It was on the disable chat script. I totally forgot that it was a local script. So just change this to actually we don't need to change this to anything, since the votes don't actually let me go to my get winner function, and oh, so this is where we will change the winner value. It's going to be very easy to make. Let's call an emergency meeting and vote for no, but let's just don't vote for anybody. Just not vote for someone. And it still says Neil was ejected. I don't know why it said Neil, but I think, yeah, it's definitely because of this script. By the way, I'm on the functions module, nobody. Change this to nobody, and I think we just have now to put a for loop here for I, comma v in pairs workspace dot voting pads, colon get descended, colon get descendants, do if v colon is a int value, then v dot value is equal to 0. Now let's start a 2-player server again and hope that this script is finally going to work. we still have to remake the entire report body system, but that's going to be very easy. Why does it give me the same colors? Oh, they're not the same, sorry. Let's go ahead and call an emergency meeting and not vote for anyone. As you can see, by the way, now I can chat, but now I can't. Wait, yeah, it finally says nobody was ejected, which is great. And now what if we go ahead and call another emergency meeting, and this time we're going to vote for someone, for player 2. Player 2 gets ejected, great. Now let's see what's... This is back to nil, by the way. Okay, so now the game starts and player 1 is the imposter. We'll go ahead and see if the votes are actually back to 0. Okay, so the votes are not back to 0. Oh god. This is just... Wait. That's... Why? Why did he do this? Wait, I have... Which script is this? Workspace emergency meeting. Oh! Now I remember. Now I remember which script was that. It was inside of the emergency meeting system. Inside of the button. So that's why it actually changed that thing back to nil. So just to go to your emergency meeting system but script and change this to nobody, and this to nobody. Let's view the output. We don't have any errors. And now we will go to the voting pads and to the player name script. Script.burn.print name script, and no, not this one. Text label. Let's go ahead and test the game with 2 players again, and it should work. And sorry if this video is so frustrating. I know it is, but I'm trying my best. So let's start a 2-player server, and it's starting in 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the game just started. I'm going to call an emergency meeting right now and not vote for any, or actually let's just vote for player 1 real quick. Player 1 gets ejected and crewmates 1. No, this is messed up, but we will fix that later. Okay, so I'm a crewmate. Let's call an emergency meeting and see if the votes actually reset. Nope, they didn't. What if I go ahead and vote for player 1 again? Wait, let me go to the workspace and the voting pads and see if... Okay, so all of the values are set to... Oh. Okay, so I finally know how to fix this. I think I know how to fix this. Before this return winner thing, just delete it, and instead of doing this, we just have to loop through the workspace for I comma v in pairs workspace dot voting pads colon get children do let me check if it's inside of the voting pads. Okay, so if v dot name if v can't find first child value, then v can't find first child value dot value is equal to 0. Now let's start another 2-player server, and I hope this is the last time we start a 2-player server in this episode. Okay, so the game should start soon. Okay, so the game just started. Let's call an emergency meeting and vote for the crewmates. Okay, so player 1 gets ejected, and let's hope that the voting pads values gets reset. Yes, they did. They got reset finally. They reset. Oh, that's just a wait. Really? Oh. Okay, so now we will make this is just a visual bug. It's not going to affect the gameplay, I think. You just have to vote, but we'll fix it. I think what we have to do now is to just what does Among Us have? Oh, I forgot to make the kill button visible just for the not the just add a local script to the kill button, rename it to make visible, and change it so that it says for the while loop, while to do, put a wait, and before this while loop, we will go ahead and create a variable, which is going to be the player, local player is equal to game dot players dot local player. And in here, we will just put script dot parent. No, if player can't find first child imposter value, then script dot parent dot visible is equal to true, else script dot parent dot visible is equal to false. Okay, so now this should work. Let's test the game with 2 players. Oh, I said it was that the last time is going to be the last time we test the game with 2 players, but now I'm sure that it's going to be the actual last time. So yeah, let's wait for this to load and get a hat. And get a hat again for this guy. And as you can see, the imposter can kill, but the other one can't. So that's great. So let's just finish up this episode by just fixing the shop. So the shop is sadly not going to be a shop anymore. It's just going to be full of free items, sorry, but we'll create a wins. Instead of cash in here, inside of your main script, we will just create wins. Change this to wins, and this to 0, and yeah, this should be working. Wins, but that's for another episode. That's going to be for another episode. If this helped, make sure to subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye.